Hello viewers, this is Harvish. I'm a digital marketing consultant and as well as digital marketing blogger. Today I'm going to explain about the topic of top 5 digital marketing certifications for beginners. Go to Google and search for the Google Digital Garage. Okay, in this you can find the first link. You can go through this and you can go through this course and you can register for this course and you can get certified from the Google. You can get the Google certified by completion of this course. Okay, this will be very benefited for your for you as you are a beginner. But while you are going for an interview, they will asking you the practical knowledge. Maximum companies are asking for the practical knowledge. Don't go only with the certifications. Please take some practical knowledges. I'm going to post in the few in the upcoming videos. I'm going to post a lot of informative practical videos, practical tutorials about the WordPress designing and about the SEO, about the Google Ads, about the Facebook ads, and as well as the LinkedIn and more. Go through our video now. You can find this course while you're searching in the Google. This course is absolutely free of cost. There's no charge for this. You can first you can go to the website and you can find your course here. There's a lot of courses are there. Google providing a lot of course fundamentals of digital marketing, get your business online, and yeah, actually this is not only for the students. This is also for the entrepreneurs who are all start the business as newly, who are all want to take their business to the online. They can also start learning these things. Also get certified from the Google. Not for all the courses Google giving this in this website. For not for all the courses they are giving certifications. Some of the courses only they are giving the certifications, especially this course, Fundamentals of Digital Marketing. Okay, and from the other courses you can observe the inputs from the Google, but there's a lot of the industry experts they are taking the training in the Google. You can learn from them. These are all in the basics only. These courses are only for the beginners, not for the intermediates and experts. If you are a beginner, you go through this. Okay. Next, I can go through the Hubspot. Hubspot Academy. Go to Google and type Hubspot Academy. Okay. In this link, you can find this. Hubspot also offering the lot of super courses and the especially Hubspot courses, Hubspot certifications are very valuable. It will be adding value to your resume. You can enroll with this and you can complete the course. They conducting one exam after the course. You can pass the exam. You can clear that exam. Once you clear the exam, they will give you the certification of completion. They are offering the courses in SEO, building your business as a black entrepreneur, and this is for entrepreneurs. And as well as a lot of courses are here for the inbound marketing, for the CMS, for the inbound marketing. These are two courses are there, and for LinkedIn marketing for business. For the LinkedIn also, they are offering the good courses. As well as there is a more courses are there. There is the email marketing courses are there. and this see the Excel course and design about the design of the Google Ads. Yeah, this is for the Google Ads campaigns and digital marketing, for the overall general digital marketing, digital advertising, and for the Instagram. You can find lot of courses here, as well as the WordPress training courses are also there. Okay, next we can go to SEMrush Academy. Okay, there's a lot of courses out there, super courses. Okay, if you go into the courses, you can find a lot of courses here. See, G GA4 analytics and GA4 SEO. Yeah, market analysis and content marketing by Brand D. It's amazing. Yeah, there's a lot of courses you can find. These are all for absolutely free. And next, I'm going to the Coursera. Go and type in the Google as a Coursera. You can find the top. Go there and type digital marketing, or you can uh, go to Google and type Coursera digital marketing. Yeah, the second line. Yes, you can join free and learn as a or learn the digital marketing in Coursera for free. They're offering the free courses as well, and as well as they're offering the paid courses as well. As the beginning, this free course is absolutely enough. The main my recommendation is you can get certificate from Google, HubSpot, and SEMrush. These three are was very important. The Coursera is your choice. Okay, and as the last one, it's a very important certification you will get for especially for the Google Ads. That is Skillshop from Google. Shop. You can type the Skillshop. You can find this. This is by Google. See, there's a lot of courses, especially the Google Ads courses. You can get a good understanding of the Google Ads from this for the Google advertisements, Google search ads, and other Google ads types. There's a lot of Google search ads certification, Google ads display certification, Google ads measurement certification, that is analytics, Google ads video, Google ads shopping ads, and the app ads. Okay, in this, you if you are a beginner, you need a search ads, display, and video. These three are very important. If you are in the e-commerce industry, if you have an e-commerce website or you have a product, you want to uh, take your products to the online means you want to sell your products. You have a physical product or you have a physical product especially. Okay, if for example you're selling some dress garments, some saris or something, or some other physical products, like you want to take to the online, uh, this is your choice, the shopping ads. Okay, shopping ads certification. Okay, for the entrepreneurs this is not necessary to get a certification, but from the Google side you have to learn this. Through this you can know about the uh, terms, what the terms and conditions, and as well as the Google algorithm. You can easily understand the Google as algorithm, and as well as what are the things are allowed, what are not allowed, everything. Okay. Also, you can find the analytics, Google Analytics, and other courses. Okay, thank you guys.